Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to third episode of Space and Universe. In the previous episodes, we came to know about our space, universe, multiverse and galaxies like Milky Ways. In this episode, we will try to understand about formation of stars, categories and their life. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Are the stars really little as they appear to us? Come, let's explore. Before exploring stars, let us explore our Milky Way galaxy once again. Though Milky Way is in spherical disk shape, we can't see its spherical disk shape from Earth because you know that our solar system is in Milky Way, as we discussed in our previous episode. We can see other galaxies and constellations within our galaxy with the help of powerful telescopes from different locations on Earth. So it is impossible to view the front angle of spherical disk shape of our Milky Way galaxy through telescopes. Because obviously we have to travel to another galaxy to view our Milky Way through telescope, which is quite impossible for us with present technology. Scientists widely believe that Milky Way has two major arms, Perseus arm, Qutum Centaurus arm, Norma arm and Carina Sagittarius arm are two other major arms of our Milky Way. Our Sun is in Orion Cygnus arm. Distance from Milky Way core to Sun is 6500 light years. Now coming back to our main topic, that is stars. I framed some questions like how do stars take birth? What is the lifespan of stars? How many stages of stars are there? How many stars have been discovered by our scientists till now? And what are their locations? I got answers to many of these questions from different sources. Let us understand the definition of stars first. Stars are huge spinning balls of hot luminous gas. Each one is unique because stars differ in color, temperature, size, brightness and mass. Over time, characteristics change and the star evolves from one stage of star life to another. The key to a star's life is its mass, the amount of gas it is made from. Mass determines the star's lifespan as well as its other characteristics and how these change. Now let's discuss about stars' birth. Stars are formed inside vast clouds of hydrogen gas such as the Eagle Nebula. A small fragment of cloud collapses under gravity. It becomes increasingly squashed and eventually forms a spinning ball of gas termed protostar, the first sign of new star. Let us see pillar clouds of Eagle Nebula where a new star takes birth from its clouds. It is one of those billions of nebula in universe. What a spectacular image these powerful telescopes have captured. From these clouds, cluster of new stars take birth. Based on the life stages, stars have been divided into four categories: young stars, midlife stars, dying stars, sudden death. Now first, let us look at young stars. A protostar gets denser and hotter as its gas becomes more squashed. When its core reaches about 10 billion degrees Celsius, nuclear reactions start. Hydrogen is converted into helium, energy is produced, and the star shines. Stars born at the same time and from the same region of cloud exist as a cluster. Examples are trapezium cluster, jewel box cluster. Let us look at trapezium cluster first. Orion trapezium cluster is a tight open cluster of stars in the heart of Orion Nebula in the constellation of Orion. It is also called as the sword of Greek warrior the Orion. It is very easy to find Orion constellation because of its 3-star series. It was first discovered by Galileo Galilei. Its approximate distance from Earth is 1344 plus or minus 20 light years. Now let us look at Jewel Box Cluster. The Jewel Box Cluster is one of the youngest known open cluster. It belongs to Crux constellation discovered by Nicholas Lewis. It is located at 6,440 light years away from Earth. The brightest stars in the Jewel Box cluster are supergiants and include some of the brightest stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Let's move on to midlife stars. Most stars glow steadily for most of their lives. During this stage, they are known as main sequence stars. The Sun is one. Planets orbits around some stars. Others such as Fomalhaut have disks of dusty material that may form planets. Examples are Sirius star, Fomalhaut star, Albireo star, and our Sun. We will cover Sun in our coming episodes. Let's know about Sirius star. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky, belongs to Canis Major constellation. It is considered as nearest star to the Earth and its distance is 8.6 plus or minus 0.04 light years. It is easy to find Sirius star with our naked eyes. To find Sirius star, we have to follow Orion Belt 3 star series, and at a distance, the star which shines with dazzling brightness is called Sirius star. Actually, Sirius has got two stars, Sirius A and Sirius B. Sirius A is twice as massive as Sun. Sirius B is approximately equal to the size of Earth. Sirius B is revolving around Sirius A. Now let us discuss about Fomalhaut star. Fomalhaut star is the brightest star in the southern constellation of Pisces Austrinus. Fomalhaut A and B located in Pisces Austrinus, whereas Fomalhaut C located in Aquarius constellation. It is located at a distance of 25 light years from Sun. It is the third brightest star viewed from Earth. As we discussed, we can see Fomalhaut have disks of dusty material that may form planets. Now let us know about Albireo, a double star system. Albireo, double star located at a distance of approximately 400 plus or minus 10 light years in Cygnus constellation. Albireo was a US Navy's Kratos class cargo ship named after the star. Albireo A and Albireo B are two stars. Albireo B rotating rapidly with an equatorial rotational velocity of at least 250 km per second. Now let us move on to dying stars. When a star with a mass of up to 8 times that of the Sun runs out of hydrogen, it swells up, cools, and becomes a red giant. Eventually, the giant star ejects its outer layers and becomes a planetary nebula. The ejected gas slowly disperses, leaving behind a white dwarf, the tiny, slowly cooling core of the original star. Examples are Betelgeuse, B838 Monocerotis, Helix Nebula, and Cat's Eye Nebula. Let us know about Betelgeuse star. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant of spectral type and one of the largest stars visible to the naked eye. It belongs to Orion constellation, representing right shoulder of a Greek hunter warrior. Less than 10 million years old, Betelgeuse has evolved rapidly because of its large mass and is expected to end its evolution with supernova explosion most likely within 1 lakh years. It is located approximately 645.2 light years from Earth. News are coming in that Betelgeuse star will become supernova by exploding in 2022 itself. Now let us know about V838 Monocerotis star. It is located at a distance of approx 20,000 light years in Monoceros constellation. It is considered as the dying star on the edge of the spiral arms of Milky Way. It is continuously expanding gases from it, thereby exposing its core. It is considered as a typical nova outburst. Now, let us know about Helix Nebula. Helix Nebula is a planetary nebula located in the Aquarius constellation. The distance from Earth is approx 694.7 light years. It is also called as God's Eye. The outermost ring appears flattened on one side due to its collision with the ambient interstellar medium. Wow! Look at its beauty! This is my third favorite nebula after Eagle Nebula and Cat's Eye Nebula. Now let us know about Cat's Eye Nebula. Cat's Eye Nebula is a planetary nebula in northern constellation of Draco. The distance from Earth is approximately 3,300 light years. It is structurally very complex nebula. The mechanism that have given rise to its complicated morphology is still not well understood. Wow! Look how beautiful it is! Now let us move on to sudden death stars. Aging stars with 8 or more times the mass of the Sun swell into enormous unstable supergiant stars, which can end their lives in a sudden and spectacular explosion known as supernova. The exploding star creates an extremely hot gas cloud called a supernova remnant, while its core can collapse to become a rapidly rotating very dense pulsar or a black hole. The material dispersed into space forms clouds, which in turn can give birth to new stars. Examples are Eta Carinae, Supernova 1987A, Crab Nebula. Now let us know about Eta Carinae. Eta Carinae is located at a distance of approximately 8,500 light years from Earth in Carinae Sagittarius constellation arm. It is discovered by Nicholas Lewis. It is a highly luminous hypergiant star and estimated 100 to 150 times the mass of the Sun. It is a complex area of bright and dark nebulosity. Now let us know about Supernova 1987A. Supernova 1987A is located at a distance of approximately 1,68,000 light years in Dorado constellation. It was discovered independently by Ian Shelton and Oscar Duhalde. It resembles a diamond with string of pearls around it. Now let us move to Crab Nebula. It is located in the constellation of Taurus at a distance of 6,500 plus or minus 1,600 light years from Earth. It is in the Perseus arm of Milky Way. The Crab Nebula is expanding outward continuously at about 1500 km per second and it spans about 10 light years. The chronicles of Crab Nebula supernova found in 1054 AD on Earth. Now the Crab Nebula is converting into Crab pulsar, that is black hole. Now what is black hole? When a supernova star explodes, its core collapses, rotating rapidly in on itself under gravity until it is whole in space. Recently, NASA discovered a strange sound from black hole which sounds like Om. Listen to it. Om chant is used for meditation in yoga? Well, that's it in this episode. It takes lots of efforts to gather information to make such an informative video for you. I was continuously asking questions related to stars, and my father helped me to gain knowledge and clarify many doubts that arise. We together studied a lot and made this video for you. Our main aim is to give as much detailed information as we can in a chronological way. Sometimes I exhaust studying and thinking. I strongly believe in sharing good knowledge with all my viewers. So please share this video and share knowledge with all your contacts. I'm sure you got a very good knowledge about stars in this episode. So do like, share this video with all your contacts and ask them to subscribe my channel for informative videos. See you in the next episode.